A small change in your daily routine, especially before bedtime, has the potential to change your life entirely. You could attract wealth and abundance into your life by making this minor change. I know you might not believe me right now, but I'm sure if you practice this technique tonight, you will be surprised tomorrow. When you see the transformation for yourself, you will start believing this technique. In this video, I'm going to share a secret and immensely powerful nightly manifestation ritual that can change your life overnight. Stay till the end, because this ritual could change your life and you will manifest everything you have been dreaming of. Our thoughts and emotions are like magnets because they constantly pull in what we focus on. When you find yourself stressing about money, you're attracting more financial difficulties. This self-destructive pattern can be broken by understanding the basic principle. What you think about, you bring about. To effectively use the power of the law of assumption, start by being honest with yourself. Pay attention to your feelings every time you encounter money-related situations. Whether it's a discussion about finances, a bank notification, or a bill to pay, your emotional response is a key indicator of your abundance mindset. Consider this as a litmus test. If you're constantly stressed, anxious, or worried about money, you're trapped in a scarcity mindset. You're unknowingly inviting more lack into your life. This is the moment to make a change. To achieve success in this process, you must consciously reshape your mindset. It's about cultivating positive thoughts and emotions focused on prosperity. To provide the utmost detail on how to change your thought patterns, think of your conscious and subconscious minds as powerful allies. They are always at work, attracting whatever they are focused on. Your emotions are indicators of your alignment with either abundance or scarcity. So, while working on this transformation, monitor your emotional response carefully. Your thoughts are the seeds of reality. By cultivating a positive, abundance-oriented mindset, you're taking the first crucial step toward attracting prosperity into your life. The law of assumption is always in motion, and it's up to you to ensure that it works in your favor. Now, while are you watching the video, write in the comment, "I am allowing abundance into my life and building my life thought by thought." Now let's discuss the significance of your bedtime routine in your life and how it shapes the circumstances in your life. The moments right before you drift into sleep are the most crucial part of your day. Great thinkers, from ancient Greek philosophers to religious figures like Jesus and St. Paul, have recognized the power of controlling your thoughts before sleep. It's during this time that your subconscious mind is most receptive, and what you feed it will influence your dreams and, ultimately, your reality. This is why establishing a bedtime routine that creates your abundance mindset is essential. Think of it as a nightly manifestation practice. It's a way to make sure that your thoughts, feelings, and intentions are aligned with abundance. Many philosophers have discussed the existence of an energy body, or quantum double, which can leave the physical form during sleep. This idea might seem far-fetched, but it's essential to keep an open mind when exploring the possibilities. Quantum science and metaphysical teachings suggest that your consciousness can travel to different dimensions during sleep. The bedtime ritual is about more than just achieving a restful night's sleep. It's about making the most of the time when your subconscious mind is most active. This is when you have the potential to connect with infinite possibilities and bring them back into your waking life. Many manifestation gurus and spiritual leaders propose that this energy body, or quantum double, can travel to different dimensions. Ancient wisdom, such as the Tibetan Book of the Dead, supports this idea. Regardless of the exact mechanisms, it's clear that there's more to our existence than our physical bodies. Many cultures and texts refer to this energy as the soul. It's a fragment of the Creator or a divine spark within us. The Bible even tells us that we are made in God's image, with the breath of life breathed into us, the human soul. So, consider your thoughts in the moments right before sleep as a unique opportunity for manifestation. By understanding and taking advantage of this precious time, you can consciously shape your reality while exploring the mysteries of your energetic essence. Now, let's get into the practical details of your bedtime ritual. This is where we lay out a clear plan for you to follow. It's about turning this knowledge into actionable steps that you can take every night to manifest abundance in your life. First, set aside a few minutes before bed to create a calm and meditative state. Find a comfortable sitting position, close your eyes, and start taking slow, deep breaths. The focus here is on your breathing, which will help calm your mind and body. As you exhale, let go of any tension you may be holding onto. Once you've reached a state of centered calm, turn your attention to gratitude. Reflect on all the blessings you have in your life, your health, loved ones, possessions, talents, and anything else you're thankful for. Feel the emotions of gratitude wash over you. You can also use affirmations like, "I am so grateful for everything I have in my life." Feel the vibration of gratitude coursing through your being. Next, it's time to get specific about your financial goals. Write down your precise monetary target in present tense and positive language, as if it's already a reality. For instance, "I am so grateful for the $10,000 I recently received unexpectedly in my bank account." Be clear and specific about the amount. The written note serves as a tangible reminder for your subconscious mind. Place this note under your pillow, but that's not all. You should also tuck some actual money bills under your pillow. Having these physical reminders close to you as you sleep is a powerful way to keep your focus on abundance. Your subconscious mind will absorb this abundant vibration. If you happen to wake up in the middle of the night, take the opportunity to reinforce your intentions. Reread your written financial goal note and immerse yourself in the feelings of already having manifested that money. Visualize and affirm that it's yours. This ensures that any nighttime awakenings contribute to the abundance mindset you're cultivating. The most crucial aspect of this ritual is consistency. Make it a part of your nightly routine and do it no matter what. Even if you miss a day or two, that's okay. Just get back into your routine as soon as possible. The key is to reprogram your subconscious mind through repetition. It's essential to detach from the how, when, or where the money will come. Your job is to live in the end result and the vibrational state of already having wealth. Trust that the universe's infinite organizing power will attract the perfect opportunities to materialize your goal. When you maintain the vibration of having money, the how will come to you through divine inspiration and intuition. Now let me explain why and how visualization can boost your abundance mindset and help you attract prosperity. Before bed, engage in a short 5 to 10 minute visualization ritual every night. This consistency is crucial. Visualization gradually permeates your subconscious programming, creating a profound impact on your daily life. The process is simple but effective. During your visualization, picture your financial goal vividly. See it as if it's already a reality in your life. Visualize yourself using that money, feeling the emotions associated with having it and enjoying the benefits it brings. This exercise reinforces your subconscious belief that you've already achieved your financial goal. Patience is essential in this practice, as manifestation takes time to influence your subconscious mind. The key is to make this part of your daily routine before bed and integrate it into your lifestyle. Over time, you'll start noticing more lucrative opportunities coming your way. Positive changes in your financial situation can manifest in various ways. You may receive unexpected checks in the mail, get promoted at work, or discover new streams of income from unexpected sources. Your intuition might spark ideas for profitable side hustles or businesses. This is the power of visualization combined with an abundance mindset. Stay open to unconventional means through which money may arrive. The more consistently you practice this ritual, the more noticeable the financial results will become. So, integrate this bedtime visualization into your routine and watch as it transforms your financial reality. Now let's summarize the key principles and steps to build your life thought by thought and manifest abundance. Your journey toward abundance starts with a shift in mindset. It's about recognizing the power of your thoughts and emotions in attracting prosperity. As you replace scarcity thinking with abundance, your vibration changes, setting the stage for financial growth. Understanding the significance of your bedtime routine is crucial. Great thinkers throughout history have acknowledged the power of controlling your thoughts before sleep. The time before bed is when your subconscious mind is most receptive, making it a critical phase for manifestation. The mysterious concept of an energy body or quantum double further highlights the importance of this period. So, I urge you to practice this technique because it has changed the lives of thousands of people. The results will amaze you. Thank you for the time to watch this video and be sure to subscribe so you can watch more valuable content.